Stop fumbling with plastic and let's turn that American Express gift card into a seamless Apple Pay experience. First things first, locate the Wallet app on your iPhone. It's usually found on your home screen or in the Utilities folder. Once you're in the Wallet app, look for the plus icon, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap it to add a new card. Next, you'll be presented with a screen asking what type of card you'd like to add. Select the debit or credit card option. Now, the Wallet app will prompt you to use your iPhone's camera to scan the American Express gift card. Position the card within the frame that appears on your screen. Make sure the lighting is good so the camera can capture the card details. If the camera scan doesn't work, don't worry, you can manually enter the card number, expiration date, and security code in the fields provided on screen. This information is all found on the front and back of your gift card. After entering the card details, you'll probably need to agree to American Express's terms and conditions. Give them a quick read, and if you're happy, tap Agree. Your gift card will now be verified with Apple Pay. This might take a few moments, so just sit tight. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. And boom, your American Express gift card should now be successfully added to your Apple Wallet. Congratulations! You can now use it anywhere that accepts Apple Pay for convenient and contactless payments.